स्वर्गीय बाबुल स्वारगियारी को श्रद्धांजलि। स्वर्गीय बाबुल स्वारगियारी को नलबारी जिला बोरो साहित्यिक संघ का पहला सचिव 1970 से 71 नियुक्त किया गया था। उनका जन्म 2 फरवरी 1949 को हुआ और उन्होंने अपनी प्राथमिक शिक्षा पूरी करने के बाद नामारी मौजा सेकेंडरी स्कूल में अध्ययन किया। इसके बाद उन्होंने वरिष्ठ कक्षाओं के लिए नलबारी के गोल्डन हाई स्कूल में प्रवेश लिया और इसी स्कूल से उन्होंने 1966 में मैट्रिक परीक्षा दी। मैट्रिक परीक्षा पास करने के बाद उन्हें नलबारी कॉलेज में प्रवेश मिला, जहां उन्होंने 1968 में भी पूरी की। उन्होंने भालुकनांगा विद्यामंदिर हाई स्कूल में सम्मानित शिक्षक के रूप में भी सेवा दी। अपने कार्यकाल से सेवानिवृत्त होने के बाद उनकी दुखद मृत्यु अजनबी के हाथों हुई। उनके परिवार में उनकी पत्नी एला, 3 पुत्र भावन स्वारगियारी, जीवन स्वारगियारी, संजीव स्वारगियारी और एक पुत्री जिमी स्वारगियारी जीवित है। स्वर्गीय बाबुल स्वारगियारी क्षेत्र की सभी सामाजिक संस्थाओं में सक्रिय थे। Late Babul Swargiary was appointed as the first secretary of the Nulbari District Borough Literary Association, 1970 to 71. He was born and attended Namity Mauja Secondary School after completing his primary education on February 2, 1949. Afterwards, he joined Gordon High School in Nulbari for his senior classes, and it was from this school that he took the matriculation examination in 1966. After passing the matriculation examination, he was admitted to Nulbari College, where he completed his B. In 1968, he also served as an honorary teacher at Balakdanga Vidyamandir High School. Upon his retirement from his job, he tragically died at the hands of a stranger. He is survived by his family, his wife Ella, 3 sons, Babul Swargiary, Jeevan Swargiary, Sanjeev Swargiary, and 1 daughter, Jimmy Swargiary. The late Babul Swargiary was involved in all the social institutions in the area. He was also the president of the Millet Jan Seva San, and also the president of the Namity Gao Panzate. Bidhan Baksa was also the deputy president of the district PCDR. He was a strong member of the Marxist Communist Party of India, and from this group of Marxists, he was elected president of the Namity Gao Panzate. He was forced to resign on February 1, 2008.